Hey you guys, it's Miss Alexander. Today we are doing day 2 of area. Remember, we're going to accurately find the area of a quadrilateral. Now let's review some of our vocabulary words. One of our vocabulary words is quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is any four-sided shape. We have a square, we have a rectangle, we have a trapezoid, we have a kite, we have a diamond. And there's a few more that are quadrilaterals. 4 sides, 4 vertices, 4 angles, all the same. 4 edges. Length. This is how long a side is of the quadrilateral, and width is how wide it is. Steps for finding area. Now this is what you guys have got to remember. There's actually a formula for area, and it's called A equals length times width. So we need to identify the length and the width of the quadrilateral, and then we multiply. That is all we do, and then we clearly state it. Please realize that on this Google Doc, everything's done through Scribble. So here's the example, and I know I showed you how to do the caret too. It means squared, but I wanted to show you something. I found something better. If you go into Insert, you go down to Special Characters. And then in special characters, if you write super, because I want the superscript, and you take the 2, you will get your square. And then once you do that, just copy it, Control C, and then go to the next one and hit Control V. You will automatically have your square there. Now remember, if you need to find it, you go to Insert, you go to Special Characters, you write the word super, because it's superscript, super, and your 2 will be right there. You click it and ta-da! Now that we've looked at these, we've taken 5 times 5, and this is how we got our example, and then 12 times 6. I'm going to drop down to problem number 1. I'm going to bounce in. I'm going to turn it to Scribble, you guys. Here, I take the length, we have 9, and the width times 9. Let me quick erase both of those. 9 times 9. And we know 9 times 9 is 81. And it is, yes, centimeters squared. And we know that because if we divided this box up into 9 lines vertically, and actually it'd be 8 lines vertically and horizontally, we'll get 9 boxes across and 9 boxes down, and we'd have 81 boxes. So here's our answer to this problem. And just in case, remember, if you do not need the Scribble, which is fine and I understand, I still want to see your work. So you'll go 9 times 9 equals 81. Oops, make sure you're in the right spot. Put it up by the problem number. Makes life a little easier for Mrs. Alexander. 9 times 9 equals 81, and then Control V, cm squared, centimeters. Let's go to problem number 2, you guys. Again, it's Scribble, and again, I'm going to take 14 times 8, and right over here, I'm going to do 14 times 8. 4 times 8 is 32. I carry my 3. I drop my 2. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 3 is 11. So 14 times 8 is 112. Ooh, let me write it correctly. Too many ones. 112 centimeters squared. Here is my answer. I'm going to hit Save and Close. And just so that you can see it, I'm doing the exact same up here. 14 times 8 equals 112, Control V. So this is how the area goes, length times width. This is the formula you need to remember. There are a few more problems. Please enjoy. Remember while you're doing this to smile, giggle, and wiggle, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.